We rely greatly on our community partners to help us meet the needs of our students and our families. We are present in our buildings every day, but we are spread between multiple buildings, so we aren't providing direct service for our families. We're there to make the connections between our students and families and our service providers that we have here in our community. So it's extremely necessary for us to maintain those connections with all of the different service providers here in Lancaster so that we can call on them at any time to meet a need for a student or a family. It's extremely helpful knowing that we have the support of our community. Many times when we've identified a need for a family, it takes that collaboration in order to meet that need and to be creative in finding a solution for a family. Many times we have to really kind of think outside of the box and figure out how we're going to address a particular need. And these agencies are so supportive and willing to do whatever they can to help us. And sometimes they can offer other options too that we haven't even considered. Many times when we are approached with a concern for a child, it's our responsibility then to reach out to the family and talk about whatever that concern might be. And many times doing a home visit or a face-to-face visit with families is key in just building that relationship and letting them know that we are here because we care and because we want to help them and we want to support them. And when we link with a community resource, many times I'm actually making the phone call with them in their home to try to make contact and explain what's needed and try to figure out what the next steps are. So it's extremely helpful to have these resources ready and just waiting for us to call on and know that they're going to be able to help us and to guide that family. And then the next time when that need is present for that family, they know that they can make that phone call. They know that they can reach out to community resources and just ask the questions that are needed to get where they need to go. They are very invested in our community and the bigger picture, realizing that it takes a village to raise a child, and they're ready and willing to offer that help whenever we ask for it. And they're solution focused as well, so they're ready to figure it out and try to get creative if necessary. I feel very fortunate for the providers that we have in our community. There are so many caring individuals working for the greater good and wanting to just empower our parents and our families and help them, meet the needs of their families, and are there to support them and offer those services that are needed.